If you are a small business owner, listen up. Do not let your business get stuck in the Stone Age. What do I mean by this? I mean, dinosaurs were extinct 65 million years ago, and there's no reason that your business should do the same. If you're not leaning into AI technology, you're going to get left behind. With the rapid increase of this new technology, I believe it's going to be more revolutionary than the internet. Now, those who got involved in the internet in the very early stages were able to benefit from the technology, and as you see today, human beings carry their phone around everywhere they go. You literally have a computer device inside of your pocket that you are glued to. In fact, you're probably addicted to scrolling social media every single day. And if you're not utilizing the power of technology and leaning into artificial intelligence, you're leaving way too much money on the table, and your ability to find credible clients that fit inside of your business system and then utilize the technology to convert your contacts into customers, you're going to get left behind. Now, what we did is we found a revolutionary tool called ClientPro.ai, where we're able to connect ChatGPT and the power of artificial intelligence to automate your business, stay in front of your contacts on autopilot so that you can buy back more of your time and simply do what you do best. Serve your customers with the product or the service that you're fit to serve. Gone are the days of having to beat your head into the table, worrying about where you're going to get your next lead, thinking about how you're going to drive traffic to your site or to your business, because this all-in-one business system is powered to help bring in more qualified clients on autopilot. Now, we're opening up a free trial of this revolutionary technology so that you can plug directly into the system and test drive it for yourself. Once you start to build a little bit of traction and momentum over the next few weeks, we also plug you into the Business Growth Incubator, where every single week we have personalized trainings showing you how to use this simple yet powerful AI software. Now, if you're interested in getting plugged in, feel free to type yes in the comments of this video, or check out the description and simply click Start My Free Trial Now. Look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Get out there and don't be caught like an ancient fossil. Get out of the Stone Age, because AI technology is here.